Hello, my name is Sabrina Templo. Today is May 19, 2020. This is week 2 for Bio 225. And for this week's video exercise, I will be doing the first part of the aseptic technique and culturing microbes, which is culturing microbes in broth. And I already washed my hands, and I'm already wearing my personal protective equipment, my goggles, my mask, my apron, and my gloves. Also, I already prepared all my materials needed. The 3 broths, the yeast, the 3 nutrient broths I already labeled on E. coli, S. epidermidis, and S. cerevisiae. Also, I already have the graduated pipette and the 70% alcohol. And also the vial that we'll be using is a Staphylococcus epidermidis and the E. coli. Also, we need the yeast, and I already prepared it over here. And I prepared it by mixing half teaspoon of the yeast and putting 1/4 cup of tap warm water. To begin, you have to open the lid and then put the lip of the tube on the flame to sterilize it. And then once you sterilize it, then you're going to get the E. coli and remove the cap and do the same exact thing. Sterilize the E. coli vial, and then you're going to get the pipette, get some alcohol to sterilize it inside and squeeze it back into the cup. Make sure there's no alcohol inside the pipette. And then you have to get about 0.25 ml of the nutrient broth, the E. coli nutrient broth. And then once you get 0.25 ml, and then you're going to put it inside your E. coli vial. And then you're going to close the vial and shake it real good. And make sure the tablet is dissolved. Once it's dissolved, you can pipette the dissolved E. coli solution. And you're going to put it back into the nutrient broth. And then before you close the lid, you need to put the lip of the tube in the flame to sterilize it. And then put the inoculated nutrient broth aside. And then for the S. epidermidis, we're going to do the same thing. Again, you're going to open the lid, sterilize it. And then once you sterilize the lip, you're going to put it on the side. Then sterilize the vial. And then you're going to put alcohol to sterilize the pipette, and you're going to make sure there's no alcohol inside. And then you're going to get 0.25 of the nutrient broth. And then you're going to put it inside the Staphylococcus epidermidis. And then you're going to cover it back again, and you're going to shake it real good. And then once it's dissolved, you're going to put it back. And then you're going to sterilize it again by putting the lip into the flame. And then you can close it again. And then the Cerevisiae, same thing. So we're going to sterilize. Then once it's sterilized, you're going to put it on the side. And then you're going to pipette the alcohol. Make sure there's no alcohol in the pipette. And then the yeast that I prepared earlier. And to prepare this, you need a ½ teaspoon mixed with 1/4 tap water. And put it on the tube. So that's 0.25 ml of yeast. Put inside the nutrient broth. And then sterilize it again. And then close it. And then I'm going to set it aside and put it aside, low the flame. And then I'm going to set aside for 48 hours, and then I'm going to inspect it for 48 hours, and then I will clean my area with bleach and disinfect my pipettes and the cups that I will put it in the bleach for 30 minutes before I throw it away, and also with the vials, right? And that concludes my video for first part of aseptic technique. Thank you.